Listen, have you noticed your arms feel weaker than they used to, or that climbing stairs takes a little more effort every year? Most people blame age. But what if the real problem isn't age? It's the type of protein your muscles are getting. You saw the title, Build Muscle After 65. This seed protein works better than eggs. And that thumbnail, just 1 spoon before bed /BUILDS muscle like you're 40. Sounds impossible, right? But there's a reason scientists are talking about this one tiny seed. After 65, your body doesn't stop building muscle. It just struggles to use traditional protein. What if one overlooked seed could fix that? What if a single spoon before bed could trigger the repair your muscles haven't had in years? This isn't a supplement gimmick. It's real, natural, and backed by science. Every year after 60, something quiet happens inside your body. Muscle fibers that once rebuilt overnight start breaking down faster than they can recover. You might eat the same meals, walk the same routes, even take your vitamins, yet your strength slowly fades. Why? Because your body's protein engine isn't firing on all cylinders anymore. The enzymes that once broke down eggs, meat, and dairy are now sluggish. It's like you're fueling your body, but half the gas never reaches the tank. So even when you eat enough protein, your muscles barely get what they need. Then researchers discovered something fascinating, a completely different kind of protein that older bodies absorb with ease. These natural proteins are lighter, think silky, not heavy like meat, and packed with amino acids that aging cells still recognize and use for repair. So maybe your muscles have given up at all. Maybe they've just been waiting for the right kind of fuel to come along. That 1 spoon before bed you saw on the thumbnail, it's not hype. It's pumpkin seed protein, one of nature's most overlooked muscle builders. Most people think eggs are the gold standard, but after 65, your body struggles to break down animal protein the same way it used to. Pumpkin seed protein changes that. It's a silky, nutty-tasting powder that melts easily into warm milk or water. Smooth, light, and easy on the stomach. And inside that simple spoonful is a perfect balance of amino acids, magnesium, and zinc, nutrients your body can still absorb effortlessly. Here's where it gets fascinating. The amino acid profile in pumpkin seed protein actually mimics what your body craves for repair during sleep. That means when you take it before bed, you're not feeding calories, you're feeding recovery. While you rest, those amino acids quietly rebuild muscle fibers, ease inflammation, and support testosterone and growth hormone levels. 2 things your body naturally loses more of after 60. And here's what most people don't realize: timing is everything. What if a tiny seed could turn back the feeling of time itself? Picture this: you wake up one morning and your body feels lighter than it has in years. Your legs carry you up the stairs without wincing. Your arms feel firmer when reaching for objects, and simple tasks like carrying groceries feel effortless. Pumpkin seed protein doesn't just rebuild, it restores, healing years of silent wear and tear. In small studies, older adults who added it nightly showed better grip strength and less joint stiffness within weeks. That's the power of 1 spoon before bed, quietly repairing, rebuilding, and giving your body back control. It's not about bulk or looking muscular, it's about reclaiming function. Balance, stability, and confidence return naturally. Everyday movements feel easier. Small victories like lifting a grandchild or walking longer distances suddenly feel empowering again. Most people don't realize this: pumpkin seeds do far more than just build muscle. While your neighbors struggle with fatigue, weak joints, or morning stiffness, this tiny seed works behind the scenes to repair, strengthen, and defend your body from years of wear, all while you sleep. And the results aren't just small improvements. Researchers found that seniors who took just 1 spoon before bed didn't merely maintain muscle. They gained measurable strength in just weeks, without lifting heavier weights or spending extra hours at the gym. Imagine that, your body quietly transforming overnight while you hardly change your daily routine. So here's the question that keeps people awake at night. What if everything you thought about aging muscles was missing one key piece of the puzzle: 1 spoon, 1 simple change that could make your body act decades younger? Imagine feeling decades younger with 1 simple nightly habit. Picture this: you wake up and suddenly everyday life feels easier. Your body moves with ease, mornings feel lighter, and small victories, like lifting a grandchild or walking farther, feel empowering. Pumpkin seed protein doesn't just rebuild, it restores, quietly healing years of silent wear and tear. In small studies, older adults who added it nightly showed better grip strength and less joint stiffness within weeks. Just a spoonful of nutty, silky pumpkin seed protein stirred into warm milk or yogurt can make this possible. And the best part, this tiny seed works quietly every night, helping your muscles recover while you sleep without any extra effort. Most people don't realize this, and pumpkin seed protein does far more than build muscle. While it quietly strengthens your body overnight, it also supports heart health, stabilizes blood sugar, and boosts sleep quality. All while you sleep, your body quietly transforms. Imagine waking up stronger, healthier, more energetic, confident every single day. One simple spoon before bed can ripple through your health in ways you never expected. And if you think this is the full story, wait until you discover the hidden benefits that start showing within just 1 week. Your body isn't done surprising you yet, and one tiny seed could change everything.